Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about deep learning for road traffic forecasting. Does it make a difference? Find road traffic forecasting. Forecasting is not an accurate solution. That is, may or may not be. Next, overview of the project, that is abstract. Cities today must address the challenge of sustainable mobility, and traffic state forecasting plays a key role in mitigating traffic congestion. For example, predicting path travel time is a crucial issue in navigation and route planning applications. Furthermore, the pervasive penetration of information and communication technologies makes vehicles data an important source of real-time data for intelligent transportation system applications. The problem of forecasting traffic prediction vehicles traffic jam data is available. A comparison of deep learning method is presented to demonstrate the capabilities of the neural network approaches LSTM, that is long short term memory, in solving the traffic forecasting problem. Different tests are proposed in order to not only evaluate the developed machine learning linear regression model, but also to analyze how the penetration traffic forecasting result reduce the loss value and high prediction performance. Next, flow of our project. This is our project flow diagram. Start, select and load dataset, pre-processing, data splitting, classification and prediction. First, start our program. Next, select and load traffic data set. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is clean the data set and checking null values. If you have any null values in the data set, replace with 0 values. Any unwanted column, and then removal process or pre-processing. Data splitting. Our data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, classification. Classification is algorithm implementation. LSTM algorithm. This is deep learning algorithm. Long short-term memory. Next, linear regression. This is our proposed implemented algorithm, that is machine learning. These two algorithms are forecasting prediction algorithm. Next, prediction. Prediction is like the given data is traffic or not. Next, performance analysis. That is not a accuracy based result. Forecasting is may or may not. So find only loss values like MSE, mean squared error, MAE, mean absolute error, RMSE and root squared error. Next, we are going to discuss about traffic forecast output explanation. This is our data set. This is our traffic forecast data set. Daytime, junction, vehicles and ID are there. This is our data set. Next, pre-processing. Pre-processing is data cleaning checking null values. No null values are there. So next process, remove unwanted column. Date time is unwanted column. So removing process, remove unwanted column. Date time is removed, and then junction, vehicle and ID are there. Next, data splitting. This data splitting is data is splitted into X label and Y label. X label data set and then Y label data set. Y label data set is our target value. Next, data splitting. This data splitting is our data is splitted into training and testing data. Next, algorithm implementation. This is our existing algorithm, LSTM, long short term memory. Approach is like number of times train the process. So 10 times. This is loss value. Our data sets loss value. Okay, this classification report, MAE mean absolute error 13, MSE 480 mean squared error, RMSE root mean squared error 21. This is root squared value. And then linear regression. This is our proposed algorithm. This is classification report, MAE, MSE, RMSE or squared. Okay, this loss value is LSTM loss value is very high, but linear regression loss value is low. So this gives a high accuracy, high prediction status. Next, prediction status. The given data is traffic or not traffic. Next, comparison graph. This is LSTM accuracy, LSTM error value. This is linear regression loss value.